Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Guys, today I'm working on a very quick fix that did my head in. There's a lot of fixes, reduce your graphics, do this, do that for this problem. So this problem I'm facing is on the GOG launcher. So if you've got control through the GOG launcher, I don't know if it's going to work for Epic or not, but you can try it if you're having an issue. It definitely worked for me because it's a Windows problem, so it should work on Epic as well. So the problem I was facing is there's one of the bosses that looks like an anchor, and when you fight him he spits out clocks at you, and whenever I would fight him it'll just crash. There was a lot of fixes out there that asked to reduce the graphics, do this, go in and do that. None of them worked for me, and this one worked, so I thought of making a quick video to let you guys know how to fix it. So it's to do with the anchor boss. Alright, before I continue, I'd like to let you guys know I fund everything on this channel myself. I have a regular job that pays for this channel. I would really appreciate if I could cut even, and how you can support me is by watching videos, subscribing, and also super liking as well. So any of those would help, or all of them would be really good. First things first you have to do is go into the search bar, and what I want you to look for is called exploit protection. So search for exploit protection. After you've searched for exploit protection, you should have a Windows that is your antivirus Windows. Looks like your antivirus Windows. You'll have system settings and program settings. What I want you to do is click on program settings. Now I've already done this and it works for me. As you guys can see, the first command there is for that, but you guys wouldn't see that. So what you guys need to do is click on add program to continue. So once you do that, you need to find where the control_dx12.exe file is. So if you're using DirectX 12 to play this game, that's what you got to edit. If you're using DirectX 11 to play this game, you need to do the control_dx11. okay, so I play under DirectX 12, so select that, come in here, and then what I want you to do is click on that drop down arrow, and you should be able to see edit. Once you go into edit, now again for me it'll be already there, I've already done it. What you need to do is click override system settings and turn it on. That's all you got to do. Apply, get out of here, and you should be able to run the game with no issues. Let me know if this worked for you. Also, how frustrated were you trying to find a fix for this? Thanks for watching. Take good care. Bye bye.